Pad Krapow is a garlicky Thai stir-fry known for its sweet but spicy flavor. It's popular not only in Thai restaurants, but also Thai home kitchens. And today, Lawman's going to show us how it's done.
Julia, I love stir-fry. It's simple, it's unpretentious, and above all, it's delicious.
But it requires some prep.
Exactly. We spoke to Chef Nuit Regular, co-owner and executive chef at Toronto-based Pie and Ken, to get some help with this recipe. The popularity of this dish on her menus speaks for itself. We're going to start with a chili fish sauce known as nam pla. You can use 1 to 4 chilies. I'm going to use 4.
Oh, you're going to ramp it up on me.
You know what they say, if you can't handle the heat.
I should go in the back.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to stem them first. So you notice I'm wearing a glove.
Yes, doctor.
You don't want any chili oil on you because if you rub your eye, it's not going to be a good thing.
No.
And then I'm slicing them thin. Add this right here. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Thai fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and last, 1 garlic clove minced.
This kind of sauce I put on everything. It makes everything taste good.
It is delicious. Just stir that up. And I'm just going to put this aside and let the flavors meld a little bit.
Okay.
Next, we're going to make our stir-fry base. Here I have 8 Thai chilies.
More chilies.
Yes. These guys, I'm just going to stem them. And they're going to go right in the food processor. I have 2 shallots. I'm just going to give them a rough chop. And 8 garlic cloves that I'm just going to smash. And you want to pulse this 10 to 12 pulses until it's chopped fine.
Woo! That's quite an aroma coming out of that food processor. That's no joke.
Yeah, it's going to give the dish a lot of kick. Last but not least, we're going to make our stir-fry sauce. Here I have 2 tablespoons of the Thai fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of Thai oyster sauce. Now the fish sauce is going to add some umami. The oyster sauce is also going to add a little bit of umami plus some body to it. I'm adding 3/4 teaspoons of white pepper, and then we're using 2 different types of Thai soy sauce. Now it's very important to get these because it gives the dish its unique flavor. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of thin soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce. Thin soy sauce adds a mild saltiness to the dish. Sweet soy sauce is going to add some body, and it's going to temper the heat. Both of these Thai soy sauces do have sugar, but obviously the sweetened one has more sugar.
Gotcha. I like how you're prepping everything ahead of time before you start cooking, because as with most stir fries, once you get the pan hot, you're off to the races.
Exactly. Mise en place is, I would say, more important for stir fry than anything else.
All right.
Just going to clean up a bit, and then we can start cooking our stir fry.
Okay.
So we have a 14-inch wok here. It's over medium-high heat. You want it just till it's smoking.
Just smoking.
Now we're going to add our stir-fry base. So this stir-fry base has our 8 Thai chilies, the 2 shallots, and all that nice smashed, fragrant garlic.
Now I appreciate that you're using a wok here, but what if you don't have one?
You can use a 12-inch nonstick skillet.
But if you have a wok, you should use it.
It's going to be more fun.
Yeah.
We're going to cook this until it's just beginning to brown, about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add 1.5 pounds of ground pork. Just going to break it up, and you want to cook it for 3 to 5 minutes till the pork is almost cooked. You could use tofu here or ground chicken.
That's starting to smell pretty good, Lawman.
The pork is just about there. Every once in a while, that chili really hits you. You want to make sure that there's no pink in the pork. Cooking it just till it's almost done. Now I'm going to add our stir-fry sauce. Cook that for 3 to 5 minutes until the liquid is evaporated, the pork is darkened and sizzling. So the Gra Prow of the Pad Krapow is wholly basil. And I actually have some right here, even though it's very hard to source. I have some right here that we can taste.
So this is an herb like basil.
Exactly.
But it has a different flavor.
It's very peppery, clovey.
Licoricey. This is a very different flavor than, say, Italian basil.
Correct.
But as you mentioned, it's hard to source. So if you can get some, great. But if you can't get the Gra Prow, what do you do?
Now Chef Nuit, she has it grown special for her, but we're going to be using Thai basil. Now I have 3 cups of Thai basil here. I'm going to add it 1 handful at a time and let it wilt down for a minute and then add the next handful.
Okay, so no chopping involved. Just,
No,
just
not
whole
at all.
leaves.
Add a little bit. Starting to wilt down a little bit. I'm going to add another handful. Looks great. Now we're going to transfer it to our bowl. So now all I have to do is clean out the wok. Then we're going to cook our egg and then we get to eat. So traditionally this dish is served with the kai dao or a crispy fried egg. I have a half a cup of oil in here. We're heating it to 350 degrees. We're gonna cook the egg for about 30 to 60 seconds.
I must confess, I've never cooked an egg in a wok before, and I'm really excited to watch you do this.
I'm glad. Now this dish is for 4 people, but because it's just me and you, I'm only gonna cook 2 eggs.
And you're cooking 1 egg at a time.
Yep.
Ah.
So you want just the edges to get fried and then the white to no longer be opaque.
Oh, look how the white bubbles up like that. And so you're just spooning the hot oil to help cook it on the top.
Right, it takes 30 to 60 seconds. Get right out of there and put it right on the paper towel. Let it absorb some of the oil, and we're gonna add the other guy. Again, we're looking for the crispy edges and the white to be opaque. Splashing a little oil over the egg. Loosen it up a little bit so it doesn't, make sure it doesn't stick.
Lama, that's very cool.
Nice, right?
It's really cool.
Take this guy out, tilt it a little bit just to get a little bit of the oil off of it. Now we can eat.
All right.
So we have some jasmine rice here. Give us some of this.
Lama, this looks incredible.
Thank you.
It has all the components. Has the fried egg, has the stir fry. Well, I love how you put this namprik nampla in individual bowls so we can add it as we want. Oh. I'm gonna start out with a little. Gotta break the egg yolk. Oh, perfectly cooked egg. It is a complex layer of flavors. You can taste the meat, but you can taste the fish sauce.
Sweet, salty, peppery. Even though I put all those chilies in there,
It's spicy.
spicy, but it's well balanced spicy.
Yeah, there is a good sweet component that it's adding some balance, but let's not beat around the bush. This is spicy. And the fried egg on top just gilds the lily. Thank you, Lawman. This is delicious.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure.
So if you want to make Pad Krapow at home, make 2 sauces, one for cooking and another for serving. Add the basil right at the end and top with a wok fried egg. From Cook's Country, a sweet but spicy recipe for Pad Krapow.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.